Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. As you all know, all we do here is to teach you ways of making money online using cryptocurrency arbitrage, sports betting arbitrage, cross exchange arbitrage, and many other ways of making money online. So if this is what you're interested in, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you anytime we upload more videos like this. If you are interested in sports betting arbitrage or crypto cross exchange arbitrage, chat us up using the Telegram link in the description of this video. And today, we spotted this cross exchange arbitrage opportunity in which you'll be making use of these two exchanges that I'm showing you today, LBank and Mexi. LBank and Mexi. So guys, on Mexi, you can see that we spotted this token RARE/USDT, RARE/USDT. This token is being sold here on 0.01233 here on Mexi. 0.01233 here on Mexi. So guys, when we move over to LBank, so guys, as you can see on LBank, RARE/USDT, this token is being sold here on LBank 0.01221 here on LBank. So guys, if you know anything about arbitrage, you should know the things you should do. Things you should do is to check the liquidity on both sides. If you keep doubting arbitrage, it won't work for you. As someone that knows more about arbitrage, as we are going to keep posting videos every day to make sure you make money on a daily basis. Like I usually tell you guys that I'm not a financial advisor, I only create educational content. It is a quick disclaimer. You make your own research and know where you dive into in these arbitrage opportunities. Like I usually tell you guys that if you're interested in sports betting arbitrage or crypto cross exchange arbitrage, chat us up using the Telegram link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you anytime we upload more videos like this so that you'll be the first to watch these videos. It's very, very important, guys.